Halalon. It's not around anymore. Siyempre, yun ang more on adjustment namin.
Giovanni Halalon. Here comes the bus driver.
Who will fill up yung position niya.
Halalon to Salado. The bus driver to the conductor. Halalon. Top of the T3. Giovanni Halalon.
Last year, may halalon kami. Sabi ng mga ibang tao dyan na ako na magdadala ng Arellano kasi partner ko yun si Halalon eh. Minsan, nag-uusap din kami minsan ni Coach Jerry. Nasabihan niya ako na kaya ko ba daw dalhin yung team, ganun.
Usually we wake up 6 a.m. for practice. Then after practice, if I have class, I go to class, do homework, then extra shooting.
We will just try to develop, improve on a game-to-game basis. Siyempre, target namin yung Final Four. Yeah.
Mga bagong teammates ko, magsisipag na sila para mag-step up lang lahat.
Siguro bilang team captain, important na bagay lang naman is respeto. Yung mga teammate ako na nadadown, like, simpleng, okay lang yan. Positive lang, kaya mo yan. Alam nilang merong taong nasa likod nila na sumusuporta sa kanila, na nag-cheer up para sa kanila, para mag-gain nila yung kumpiyansa nila sa sarili.
When you say Chiefs, isa sa pinaka-trait nun is yung respect. We always tell them that, respect sa teammates, respect sa elders, respect sa labas ng on and off court, respect your opponent, don't take them lightly.
6 on 3, 1, 2, 3.
Yes! What's expected of them is always win, play to the best of your ability. Don't let them down. The community is behind you. The expectations are great. Sobra ang expectations, so you just have to live with it.
Kaya nasabihan ko na ngayon nga, nandito na tayo sa laro. Kailangan lang talaga mag-focus. Saka pag ipapasa ko yung bola sa inyo, isushoot nyo na.
To watch the latest game highlights, subscribe to ABS-CBN Sports and Action YouTube channel.